A garden gate is more than just an entryway. It's an invitation, a promise of beauty, mystery, or serenity waving beyond. From rustic charm to sleek modern lines, each gate tells a story before you've even stepped inside. Today, let's explore 20 garden gate ideas that can turn any outdoor space into a scene worth remembering.
Wrought iron elegance. Picture a black iron gate with graceful curves and intricate scroll work. Timeless, sturdy, and elegant. It catches the late afternoon light, casting long shadows that feel both classic and romantic.
A rustic wooden archway, a weathered timber archway, its surface rough from years under the sun. Around it, climbing roses weave themselves through the wood, carrying the scent of a countryside summer. Number 3, the Japanese Torii gate. A bold splash of red rising from the green. Simple lines, deep symbolism. Walking through it feels like crossing into a quieter, more mindful world. Modern minimalist steel. Horizontal slats, matte black finish, clean and bold. No ornamentation, just the pure strength of simplicity, a statement in restraint. Five, cottage garden picket. A low white picket gate with a gentle swing. On both sides, roses lean in, offering a soft welcome with their blooms. Warm, quaint, and inviting. Bamboo Zen entry. Golden bamboo poles tied together, light yet strong. When the wind moves through, they click softly, creating a meditative sound to accompany your steps.
7. Stone pillar frame. 2 massive stone pillars stand guard, framing a light wooden gate. The contrast of heavy and airy creates a striking entrance. Graceful metal arch, its panels woven with lattice, forming a living canopy overhead. Door gate. An old wooden door rescued from a forgotten building, given new life as a garden gate. Peeling paint and worn edges tell their own history. Number 10. Woven willow fence gate. Hand-woven willow branches shaped into a gentle arch, organic, earthy, and so well blended with its surroundings, it feels grown, not built. Glass panel gate. Frosted glass panels in a metal frame. They shield the view while still letting in soft light, giving privacy with a modern edge. Sliding barn-style garden gate. A wide sliding gate inspired by old barn doors. Practical for larger gardens, it brings a rustic, open country charm. That's a steel sheet transformed into art by laser cutting, forming intricate patterns. In sunlight, the shadows dance across the garden path.
14. Painted pop of color. A simple gate painted in a bright, joyful color. Teal, mustard yellow, or terracotta red. It stands out like a cheerful hello. Pergola-topped gate. A garden gate crowned with a small pergola. Climbing plants wrap around the beams, offering shade and a living welcome above. Chain link with ivy cover. A basic chain link frame hidden under a lush curtain of ivy. From afar, it looks like a green wall with a secret opening. Victorian-inspired gate. Ornate ironwork, tall finials, and decorative hinges. This gate feels like stepping into a garden from another century. Driftwood and rope gate. Weathered driftwood pieces bound with rope, perfect for a beachside garden. Natural, unpolished, and full of coastal character. Industrial mesh and frame. A steel frame fitted with industrial mesh, functional and modern. Ideal for urban gardens where security meets style. Secret garden hidden door. A wooden gate concealed within a thick hedge, almost invisible until you're right in front of it, like the opening to a private world. A garden gate is not just a barrier, it's the start of a journey. Whether you choose something bold or subtle, ornate or minimal, your gate sets the tone for everything that follows. Let these ideas inspire you to create an entrance that tells your story before the first step is taken. And if you enjoyed these ideas, remember to subscribe for more inspirations to make your outdoor space truly unforgettable.